Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Chevrolet Express Cutaway, but this is with the box truck conversion. It's a 159-inch wheelbase, wide body Cutaway. So this total one, the chassis itself came to $34,755. With the box installed, it's $44,942. It's actually a lot less than I thought it would be. This has a 4.3 liter V6 under the hood. That actually sounds really good. There we go. There's the box inside. All right. So I did this to kind of show off what Chevrolet offers and what we offer at Quirk Automotive. This is, so I drove the Silverado 6500. This is our other Cutaway, which is based off of the Chevrolet Express. This does have an 8-speed automatic in it, which I like the transmission. It works awesome. You do have your tow haul mode as well as manual mode. And once you put it in your manual mode, it comes up with a digital tachometer, so you can see your RPMs as well. I'll go this way. As you can tell, even with the bigger size of this vehicle, it fits perfectly fine on the roads. You do have a rear view camera that pops up in your rear view mirror itself, so backing up isn't a worry. You do have your big adjustable mirrors, so visibility is not an issue whatsoever. And this is a definite option for somebody who wants a box truck but doesn't have a CDL. You don't need a CDL for one of these, as far as I'm aware. So that's a huge bonus. It actually is really kind of fun to drive in a way. I personally love driving these things. These are a lot of fun. Overall, yeah, this is kind of a showing of the Chevrolet Express Cutaway van and what you can do with them. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for future content and have a great day.